Part of what I'm trying to do is get away from you so you can't do it.
Don't get away from me.
Definitely the older one.
Do Italians eat the black-eyed peas for?
No, we eat cantellini beans.
Slides into the fence and tears the trim off the brand new 1976 GMC pickup truck.
This actually is a model that was never used on the Jeep, but it has exactly the same specifications.
We got a vacuum leak, and so we have too much air and not enough gas.
It's good though.
Must be a star.
This is mesquite wood, and all these trees behind you are mesquite trees.
This one has to be standing up on top of a
Anything,
table
any piece of furniture.
above the ground because it's going to bring travel into the year.